Good afternoon everyone, and we welcome you back to Indus Business School Media Center. Today we have with us Mr. Rakesh Khandari. He is the Marketing and Quality Department, Indica Industries Private Limited. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, how is it coming back to your own institute after years?
See, ma'am, it's really a great honor. There is no honor greater than this. Once you were the student in the same institute, today you are delivering the lecture in the auditorium where you are. So, in 2007-9, we had very less thing. Now people are more approachable. Things has been changed now, so they can explore the avenue in many ways. So basically what in 2007-9 what we learnt, we used to have long hour classes since morning till evening. We used to come by 8 means 8. There was a time management, so we learnt disciplines, we learnt पेशेंस. धैर्य सीखा हमने. हम रात को देर रात तक क्लासेस में बैठते थे, दिन में लंच होता था, हमें भी नींद आती थी क्लासेस में, बट वी लर्न धैर्य, वी लर्न पेशेंस. और आज वही धैर्य हमारे इंडस्ट्रीज़ में काम आता है. वी लर्न डिसिप्लिन्स. आज हमें वो डिसिप्लिन काम आता है जब भी हम इंडस्ट्रीज़ में काम करते हैं. वी लर्न अकाउंटेबिलिटी. हमने सीखा, हम वी नो हाउ टू मैनेज आवर एक्सपेंसेस, हाउ टू मैनेज आवर स्टडीज, हाउ टू मैनेज आवर रिलेशनशिप. सो दिस इज ऑल ड्यूरिंग आई लर्न फ्रॉम IIBM in 2007-9. This is what, ma'am.
Sir, thank you. I think these all are key ingredients that an individual should possess, owing to the fact that the world around is not easy for anybody.
Correct.
And I think if we can inculcate this in the students at the right time, at the right age, then it helps them grow and groom both.
Correct, ma'am.
Sir, secondly, today when you were interacting with our students out here, you spoke about dealing with failure. So I am very sure that we all know how to handle success. Success hoga to this is what we would do. But when it comes to failing, what is it that we would do? We really don't know.
Correct.
And the youth around usually gets disheartened, depressed, anxiety. ये सारे issues relate हो जाते हैं once you fail.
Correct.
So how can we handle this? Because you spoke to the students about dealing with
Correct,
failure.
ma'am.
So give us some insight on the same.
Correct, ma'am. So ultimately today I was focused on a point of failure, success versus failure. So basically when it comes to your mind, I have gone through with the data in the past. I have seen in the last 5 years I have seen peoples are committing suicide. If you take the example of IIT Madras, where we had 27 number of alumni, they committed suicide in last 5 years. Even from IIBM 15-16 batch, one of the students committed suicide. This is very tragic and very sad to say. So ultimately मेरा कहना है, सक्सेस के बाद का प्लान तो सबके पास है, लेकिन गलती से फेल हो गए तो वेयर इज द प्लान, है ना? Nobody talks about that, है ना? So if I'm excel in mathematics, I should go for the mathematics. If I'm excel in learning music, go for the music. मैं अच्छा हूँ आर्ट में तो आर्ट के लिए जाइए. प्रेशराइज कैसे हैंडल करना? प्रेशर देखिए जीवन भर बना रहेगा. इट इज नेवर एंडिंग प्रोसेस. प्रेशर आएगा जाएगा. आप इंडस्ट्री में काम करो, आपकी शादी होगी, बच्चे होंगे, ससुराल का प्रेशर होगा, हस्बैंड का प्रेशर होगा, फैमिली प्रेशर होगा, कल लाइफ का लोन का प्रेशर होगा. EMI पे करते करते कंधे दब जाएंगे, कमर टूट जाएगी, लेकिन प्रेशर तभी भी ख़त्म होने वाला नहीं. टेक ए पॉज, ब्रेक, धैर्य, संयम बनाइए रखिए. देखो सब कुछ समय के साथ साथ बदलता है और धीरे धीरे, ऐसा नहीं कि सब कुछ एक दिन में मिल जाता है. तो हमें वो कंटिजेंसी चाहिए, प्लान चाहिए. फेलियर से डील कर कंटिजेंसी प्लान होना चाहिए. अगर आज हमारे साथ कुछ होता तो हमारे पे कंटिजेंसी बैकअप्स होना चाहिए कि हम प्लान ए पहले तो हमारे माइंड में होना चाहिए, हम पाना चाहते क्या हैं और व्हाट डू वी वांट टू अचीव, है ना? सो दिस इज़ व्हाट माय फोकस इज ऑन. यस, बी ह्यूमन, बी काइंड. Okay, more than machinery, we need humanity. Okay, so this is what all about. Work on your contingency plan. Have the plan A, B, C, D like this, but don't commit suicide, please.
So how was it interacting with the students out here today?
see, I basically interacted with the whole group. Those were Group A and Group B. All were amazing students. So they were participating in each questions. So it was a good interactive session with me. So that's nice, madam.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a pleasure to have you here with us today, and a heartfelt gratitude from the entire Indus Business School family.
Thank you, ma'am.
so
Thank
much.
you very much.